Dak bapentip bagi noilam ka Joint Action Committee on Border of Meghalaya. Lam kinong sansar snong kila ujor dak red petition ne dak jingtho saka Ïing Kashari Meghalaya High Court. Uba Erwin case sutnga. Unong sat an barang ba bat bapau khmat ka jala uloong baka map jong ka district Khasi bat Giant Hills district. House nam khat praspa khnai phnriu do Surveyor General ka British India kan dei ka wei kanong remba ki Khasi ki don ya ki kot kisla halor upot usam. Bat lai kren ru ya kani house nam khat khandai spa prapulai lingba ka kai pot jong ka Joint Official Committee on the Interstate Boundary of Assam and Meghalaya. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor uba Erwin sutnga ubadairu chairman ka Jakbom uloong baga jingmudui lengba ka red petition kalong pyrshah ek memorandum of understanding lani ka MoU pynbeit put balasoy hapreng menteri rangba ka jala Meghalaya ukonrot ki sangma bod menteri rangba ka jala Assam uhimanta biswa sarma haka arf kandai trek berber arja arpuar.
Hakani ka jingkot ka jongi ya ka press briefing ya ka halor ka kam border bat ka kam bala ada file ka red petition ru na kalian ka jakbom bat ki nong charge nong bat ki try nong nang tu apa ka Meghalaya High Court ka jing kmi ulti ka jongi kalong ba ngin file ka petition sipo Supreme Court harai hobna Julai UCM malem jirang nong acting CM nong spung bat usada nong lang kilai sa Supreme Court bahade magilala sa Supreme Court ni dang hapadang gajing pengkrai ki court islah ni dang pengkrai ka petition ji dong ni yo e gajing tip ba ka Supreme Court kala reject ya petition bat ka pha ki ban le cha Meghalaya High Court halor kani kanong rim ni i bagi CM man kani kala file tambah kalong bagi file tang sawut biang ni te halor kanong rim pada bangi ngila si Meghalaya ban file ke petition ngiru ngila file ke petition hakan negati ola ada tagas ni ba bat la list ya ka kum ka red petition number 502 of 2022 juga High Court. The case number ketiga 1 WP in bracket C stroke 502 stroke 2022. Hadu penginjau ikan ni 4 allocate ya ka case haga court rehadim pada ni sutu ba kasorkan saya kala file ya ka appeal haga ka case jong kisim kala file ya ka appeal sa division bench but haka ni Friday la mention ya ka case po division bench but la community ba in place ya kani haka division hapo ka vacation bench tam sula play yang ka court hakimi ki hopna January wat la ka dai ka positiru namar ka matter of urgency ka tadi di ni community ba in your place ya kani hakmat ka vacation bench na kwa ban patay siya hi ba ni klem kwa ban lech ka court klem da biang ki court isla buon gila ya ki pai ba tam ki bom sutu ki bom tip ya ke ki jing siya na kwa ban patay mutak si ba ngila ya tristom na ban ai ka jing ai khule ya ka team ko jong ki jong ba basuk lam khongwar advocate kong Agnes Duya advocate but legal paralegal assistant ni jongi ikong rosa ba kile tristom rengkat bat ka team ko jongi hadali nabar kamdei bangindon ka team hadali idon roki Supreme Court lawyers hapok ajing baik jongu manusia uliu abhishek manusingli Prasanto Sen senior advocate Ranveer Singh advocate ko yara pagi bat kibai bat nalor kata kamtam kaji tristom jeng baras secretary MPSO ki pelit merek kalen sodong papenpoi ki kot isla ba jana kamtam iba estancing jana nong bat di sedar jong nong ba motumur iba la ai pun ki kot ki bela yarap hai ni bat kadon ki jinjaru dah buka ima wa motumur Kibai area kita mengini ayu in saya pencah hit ke shua banganya ci sakapang kani ke kopi jong harit petition ngina trace ya ke history jong kaput usam nadu kapur karen kan news pa nyu kunreu darta ngina airu iki notification jong ka sarkar pare kabaki transfer ya kini ki areas napo ki himakasi siapa ka Kamrup district kapur karen ngila Kamrup ya kajaka kamtam menta ba hadir ke jing tristom ba ka bor jo mublai ka bulu kurku ini ba ulai isnai ya ka apot jong gajai menreu ba ni yo menta da ka jing tristom jong ba moina sim pelot MDC jong kanartian konstitusi bamansua mengaplit tapi ya kani kasabut kabas kempam ya kijaka ki bangiladu kani kamap kabak praspa kendai penreu kabala draw kabala penmi da usurvey general jong British India kabagade ka way ni kinongrem kan ongi piang ni ka pasai ka way na kinongrem kabah ka kat kendai spa propulai hapden ke jing kren hita shwar sakya au kapten sama ba hita shwar sakya kira kren ya kani kum ka nongrem badan kamban sim ya kini ki pot sodong namar kini ki poi shado sarma ki poi shado godi ki poi kalen sodong kamtam ya ke area ka bahap ka block 1 block 2 kala kedo syai ba ka hap ka Kasirs district kani shwa bakin penpai paria bande ki kam ki bakila le ka notification ba si siya ndas pa san puwing kani kama kadi ke nuksa ka pasai kadar menta kamtam ba hakatu kasengi ka bangile ya kenduk mo ba jana manga ngile kenduk yo additional director jongga Meghalaya survey bau ong ni ki khasi jongi ki pom judon kot dar sta ki usia kam dak tin usia kam do ma hang ne nga ong i phem le ka homework ka jong pi ba bat ka sarkar MDA ro ka klem le ka homework ka jong ka nomor ba ki deliberations ki jinga kren ki jinga tai ki balong benia ki de hakani ka report ka bakat nice pa propulai ka bangalungo balai ba ki pidiang ya kata kat nice pa kat wai te ka kat nice pa kat wai la de penyap da resolution jong ka Meghalaya assembly baki ong don kam man pha sia ka central government bakan rai ka central government kani hakani ka propulai kalau long detail hadu kata na sutra ba ini ba kilong shwa man shwa kijongi kamtam nadu kapten sama ba bring ter ba lapang la de pipet ya kijing trai kijongki kisebut kijing trai kijongki kisungtho bamlong man kata ya ka ike kabala man kala ka dingba ka ban thang ka jai penri kijongi hanrei ka bang stunat ba hagani ka report ka map khat khandai spa khat praspa khandai kunri kadai ko wei ka nongrim ka baki ki om tek don kam pesu hanrei ngapai hang ni wasam ukelain cikelain tre ban accept ikati ila uno ni wan ra ikani ka map ha ka Meghalaya ikut badan buram macam ngam kwa ban lek ngam kwa ban kentho kai ka bala ban long kaji kentho ka ba kata ka kes ke joni hapo Meghalaya ikut nomor ki om bagadi subjudice andrai na syukwa ban pentip yo pai ba jong kari baka kam kala po ka kot ni don ka ching sanya ka pura ka Meghalaya ikut man ngilai i ba kani ka state ka joni ladam don syo ka Meghalaya High Court lakut menengi u modi u prime minister modi u ong kumlo 1,000 crore la pelot iki surok ki national highway ki surok hapo kani ka state denam ka basusi ka lomba ka Meghalaya High Court ka kes kadang don Meghalaya High Court mar porok surok la jot lot borok surok la jot lot lain nang ni hajwai ni balai be ka kes hajwai ni be ka kes wat ka surok no stand do asam muntrain de kalenti jwai lain na ya krejo kilenti po asar pe kai ke baje han reisan 1,000 crore la de palai tekani ka de rukam trekam jong ka sarkar MDA ka balong threat copy paste kumangal om chua copy paste ya karai ke bak assembly kat kendai spa kat way karai ya ka boundary issue ke bala kentai ke assembly kidang pelong kam ya kan ni pada ka badon rot kicing sisa kimi akran ni kan ni temanta haba pim tra ekran nin se ekran hakot nin se ekran hakot ngi file ngan puli pitang yaki mat kiba ya ka prayer ko jumi Young in the premises aforesaid, your lordship may be graciously be pleased to A. Declare the memorandum of understanding dated 29/03/2022 as violative of the constitutional provisions and in particular 6th schedule and be declared null and void. Declare all the executive actions taken by the government of Assam and government of Meghalaya pursuant to the memorandum of understanding MoU dated 29/3/2022 as null and void as having no constitutional validity. Ngan sa point sa constitutional validity. Direct the two government of Assam and government of Meghalaya to be restrained from diluting the areas covered by the 6th schedule by resorting to extra constitutional measure. Namar kini area kini part and parcel of Khasi states. Khasi states fall under the 6th schedule. D. Direct the Union of India to appoint, constitute an interstate council under Article 263 of the Constitution to resolve the long pending dispute between the two states of Meghalaya and Assam in according with constitutional means within reasonable time frame or pass such other orders as your lordship may deem fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case. Nganum let saka detail nomor boleh kani kadang day ka deliberation kadang day ka ban ya saat kadang day ka ban ya pynbeit pok kakut nganum keren kiba ngan keren tang ke ka ban pan ngan phai sa report pulai. The representatives of Meghalaya during discussion held the strong view that such an interpretation is limited in as much as de facto possession would mean only the areas falling within the boundaries of the erstwhile Khasi and Jaintia Hills district and would be the territory under Meghalaya and not the areas known as the Khasi states as specifically mentioned in the Constitution. The constitutional provisions of the areas known as the Khasi state would be superfluous if the contention of the Assam side is accepted as correct. The Assam side stated that as this matter would necessitate interpretation of constitutional points, the matter may be discussed in a higher forum. Bale, the original description jonga Khasi Jaintia Hills district hato ko por kadai ki erstwhile Khasi states but ki British area. Kabamut, without taking into consideration what has been transferred, the orders transferring the areas into the district of Kamrup, Haji Shah, by the instrument of accession, they have become null and void. Therefore, the status quo as per the 1896 INSA, as per the 1896 map, stands. Nalor kata, kilaong ba, di nomor beli ka boundary jong Khasi states, ka boundary jong ka ayu, kadeba in the original 6th schedule, ka para 20, ka describe iki boundaries, claim the don ka like no tang ya ka, like no hadir pada ki amen biang nomor beli la ot how kat kendai spot sanpuai la ot ya ka block 1 block 2 napo Jaintia district. The constitutional position is that Hagapur Balawan ke Indian Independence Act Section 7 hadir balasain ke Section 7 ke all existing treaties and sanats with existing tribal chiefs authorities would lapse. Telah lapse. So the position, the status quo, ka restore ka status quo ante, ka pre-status quo, kamut before the British took over. Kamut the map of 1896. Kata-kata legal position. Now, habaki the boundaries, ka para 20, hagatu ko po, yung discussion ko as per the boundaries of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills district and the Khasi states. Kata-kata pyrshah. That has to be defined. The constitutional aspect kabangihap along very clear kalong ba. We were included in India only by the process of the instrument of accession and annex agreement and constitution. There was no merger. Hey, there was no merger. Therefore, the status quo ante at the period before 1896 and on the basis of the map of 1896 has to be the starting point of discussion. There can be no 2 points about it. Kamdan sudah kewiganti. Ni hapan discuss pa iya kan ika point. Nomor hang ni lakdaw siya kini kira Khasi Jaintia Hills. But kila kentup lang yaki Khasi states po 1896. Hindi bagi kilong outside yaki Khasi states. The whole of the district ka kentup yaki. Hindi tangata ki notification iba hadin ki 1878 ka notification. 1921, this has been corrected up till 1910. Nang ta hakani lele kipan iba kalup kapohedo sama river. That means this whole area comprises kadika the Khasi Jaintia district. Kibangi omata ki riboy ka Jaintia Hills terter. Ke West Khasi Hills, ke Bakta, siya siya malam kodang. Kamay kuli Bakta po, Riboy District. Ngakuha man sa Block 1 and Block 2. Ke Block 1 and Block 2, kisaya ka dengan notification capitalized pa sampuay. Kaya error ni. Ke paragraph 14, jom ke 6 schedule ke prescribe, badai bandon ke Commission of Inquiry. Suapa pynbeit aja. Hatu kupon impat dan diskon suruh. Kaji kali ke jonga kalamba, shadow kata ke report jonga 1951 Commission of Inquiry. Kabau governor has to act as per the constitution. Kamta mabu kuni eka tribal land ke jonga. Hadu matang amios ngoba manu ban kali. Where is the report of the Inquiry Commission? Kat kom kacing tip ke jonga. Namar kini kot kislah kidon cepo asam. Nimpat yo lah tam mengidang yang clear mataban yo itu 4 dep ke Commission of Inquiry. It is still pending. Hanga jo ko pori ka Block 1 ka 1957 survey ka. Hane nga kwa banbu ba kadon sa ka report UAE hit USDO. Hanga por pare. Kadon ba nga manta? Kilsin. Kadon ba nga manta? Kabala indicate baro ki areas jong Block 1, Block 2. Bagi hak apa kerja di Hills District. Aduh, apa? Takadaw, menta keika mengadon kambanong kalong ba. The 1951 notification, 13 April 1951, is in fact an illegal notification. Number, nobody has been made aware of the Commission of Inquiry report. What did it say when they were going to transfer it? Kani ka report yung hit kani 1883. Kani kamday tangka kabasuong ba Arwin. Kini substantial proofs bangidon ka ba ki areas ki jongi lasyu kani iki. Berkato ka mga sedyong. Prahajar hados pojar square kilometer. Lalet so asam. Usyong halor kito na tao so. Ngin IP kani mo. Ulong tek kumurong hayeng jonga. Usong ha kamera tia. Usongnya ngan sa IP ni kamera song kai jempi dia mas yabi. Tek kum da. Mdan mlat nang. Mentak ke jing ke jongi kalomba ka sarkar MDA. Kala feeling totally. Nananaw ri pa ba ka jakbom ka private organization. Gila banyo kini ko. Kuno ka sarkar kam tip igini. Kikrami le humwa. Kikrami pula ikut menmit. Kira yung menmit. Kata-kata kali ka bagi hapan kali. Kung ki public representatives ni expect bakin krekot. Kinwat ni kajing sisa. ngai ige don sekretariat hadu kan obje hadian kata pada kia layu. Kata kecil kali ke ba kipai ba kia ban kali. Nomor swab pilmi supaya ba swab pilnya keren doa sam. Bila ada men opek kani kali ke posian ke jungi. Ya kata ada kabupuram yang katan sama kabupuram ba bring puram yo ba lapang terter ki mister ki bila ki yang baik ki nongrim jom ke constitutional position ke jungi nadong jo. Hagapor ba ka Chandrachur committee. Ka submit ke report ke jungi. Ke Meghalaya klaim priang nomor boleh klaim take into consideration ni ka constitutional rights ke jungi. Therefore that report became null and void. Hagajo ka kamro kat kandas ba kat wai ka ba kini ki copy and paste. Ke MD government ka Shushim, it just took the recommendation 1911, copy paste, and then went into a negotiation with Assam at the mercy of the Assam government, at the mercy of Himanta Biswa Sarma. What is the result? The result is psychic terrorism. Balik on psychic terrorism. Mukro, today is 1 month. 5 lives were lost. 6 with that forest guard who was accidentally shot by them. 5 of our people, precious lives of our people were lost on the ground. Their blood has flowed. It has soaked the ground. This is why I say psychic terrorism. You sit on our land. You encroach more. You shoot our people. And then you say that this is your right. Kata-kata ika pasal mana? Pi kini ika cakap kejungi. Pi ong hek ngin ai, nak cakap jung pi ngin ai. Pi turbiang. Kiale persak gibri kejungi. Pi siap yak peki kapre kasna. Kadeka psychic terrorism kabaka state of Assam, but ke MDA government they have placed us under. Ngakwa kan saya kedar kani. Baka failure jong ke MDA government kalong clearing kalong syaba pala. Namar kata kadau ngakwa bagi paiba jong ke kasih jantia ki paiba nyofret kim sotho ba ngidon ki kot kisna ngidon ka hop bak ni hap banya teli banya le kani. Kajuro Garo Hills. In 1983 the discussion for Garo Hills was still going on. But why is it in the 12 areas identified for discussion, for agreement, for solution between Assam government and Meghalaya government, no consideration was taken of the questions of Garo Hills? Ngi sotu baka kes kanum klaim dalam ngi yo ikot isla ki babiang. Temata ngi sotu ba kumakalong mentaru ngi nakaliang kajungi kan kata, mende nakaliang kakot, nakaliang kajungi ngi la persyang ban thep ya ka kes ka bakhran tam kat bangila. Karai jong kakot kata kasyong kakot ni mdon ye pano. Ka sakawai pada ruk ngakwa ban petip iki pai ba nginum syok that. But let's say ngampak yo ikren begini perlok ndrei let's say yo kala ade kapor bagi nyami madan ro. Namar ngila sutu iba lemda ngi pynbeit ya kan ke proses ke administration kan ke podar kan ke corruption ke ida ke political process ka bagi yo ke sarkar thamai. Ka kat kendai spa ka arja arpulai. Te kini kijing nginang ya kenduk nak kapor kapor. Te khamtam khnamba ninja pungkut haka ninja pungkut haka sur jong jing kermen na ai kulai Christmas ro ebro na ai kulai Christmas ba kajing kerku godo kan wan no blai ba kajai benriu kan nam klain kajai benriu kan nam syahid ba ninya persangkat bala ban ra syai kajing tuli nomor kumbalong menta kanika psychic terror ka ki le halor jong hi kham pam bagi kini jaka kita jong kadeke ai ka pundu thia pundu Barang kerpat ki kam tam ki tu ki ba 4 dah sotu bahai kini kam jam ru ba kin pulut por ban puli kin pulut por ban wat ki sisya kin sotu biang yang thit ba jong kejai beriu bagi dei kejai beriu ko kerpang ba la dengi kelat ya kan hakata kejing yasko mo ni yasko la long khmat la long modern la long yu ni kelat no ya kan rim ko jong ko kejai beriu aja kini te setengkat no ngin salong merau nomor ba kinong pelong merau yang hi kim dei tang kita kibuat na ba kita kibre ki jong hi ki businessman ki yo kan rong po sekretariat ki nong mi khmat ki bom juk record ki no mi khmat ki ba ha jaka kin pulut por ya ka jingha jingmiak ka jingrai ka jai menreu ki pulut por ban banyak keren ki kontrak banyak keren ki kilan cushion kilan compensation ki ya pulut por ban ya tahu kita ki smart meter ki ya pelupor ya ka tahu kau banyak penjak kau daftar ki nambun ki itu ya nam kuat ban kalian pelat mentaksi hendak ke Shillong nak ba nak kalian ke jongiru ni hapan cem ke jingit klik ban pun suatu ya ba ban ni pun suatu